Late 2023, the people building the most advanced AI on Earth told the public the same thing, over and over. Progress was slowing down, diminishing returns. The easy gains were gone. That was the message for almost 2 years. Then, quietly, the language changed. Not in a press conference, not in a headline. In research papers, internal memos, and offhand comments from people who don't usually talk this way. This video is about that shift. What changed, why it matters even if you've never touched an AI tool, and what almost nobody is doing to prepare for it. For most of the last decade, the story around AI was simple. Bigger models, more data, better results. Scale was the whole game. But by 2023, that story hit a wall. Researchers started publishing papers on diminishing returns to scale. Some of the most cited voices in the field said, on the record, that we were reaching the end of easy progress. Data was running out, compute costs were exploding. The next leap, they said, would take years, maybe a decade. This wasn't spin. A lot of serious people believed it, and for a while it was the consensus, which is exactly why what happened next is worth paying attention to. Starting in 2025, the language inside frontier AI labs started to change. Not, we're scaling models. Instead, models are helping design the next generation of models. That's a different claim entirely. It means the bottleneck isn't just human researchers writing code and running experiments anymore. It means AI systems are being used to search for better training methods, better architectures, even better AI systems. And the search itself is getting faster because the tool doing the searching is getting better. This is what's sometimes called a recursive loop. Each improvement doesn't just move you one step forward, it makes the next step easier to find. In theory, if that loop tightens enough, progress stops being linear, it starts compounding. Nobody serious is claiming this has already produced some kind of runaway intelligence. That's science fiction, at least for now. But the rhetoric shift itself is real, it's recent, and it's a meaningful change in how the people closest to the technology are talking about where it's headed. Here's the part that actually matters to you, whether or not you work anywhere near AI. Every major technological shift in history rewarded a very specific kind of person, not the smartest, not the most credentialed. The ones who paid attention early and adjusted before it was obvious to everyone else. The printing press didn't just change books, it changed who held power, because suddenly information moved faster than institutions could control. The internet didn't just change communication, it changed which skills were valuable almost overnight, and the people who noticed early built entire careers on that gap. AI acceleration, if the current trajectory holds, won't just change how software gets built, it changes which skills keep paying, which industries stay stable, and which ones don't see it coming until it's already happened to them. The uncomfortable truth is, most people won't adjust until the shift is undeniable. By then, the advantage is gone. The value isn't in the technology, it's in being early to notice. So what does paying attention early actually look like in practice? Not panic, not quitting your job to become an AI researcher. 3 concrete things. First, get hands-on with the tools now, even in a small way. Understanding how these systems work removes the mystery and the fear and gives you a real sense of what they can and can't do. Second, watch which skills are becoming more valuable, not less. Judgment, taste, the ability to ask the right question, these get more valuable as raw execution gets automated, not less. Third, stay skeptical of both extremes. The people saying this changes nothing and the people saying this changes everything by next year are both selling you certainty they don't have. The honest position is, this is moving faster than the official story suggested, and moving early costs you nothing. 2 years ago, the story was, AI is slowing down. That story is no longer accurate. What replaces it isn't panic, it's attention. The people who do well over the next decade won't be the ones who predicted every detail. They'll be the ones who noticed the story changed and adjusted before everyone else caught up. If this kind of breakdown is useful to you, subscribe. This channel tracks these shifts as they happen, not after.